Hi, good evening to all. Now we are going to look at how to prepare the flexible budget in cost accounting. We have one problem here. 50% capacity worked. The given values are based on a 50% capacity. We need to prepare the budget for 60%, 75%, and 90%. As well as we need to forecast the profit based on this percentages. Fixed cost as values are given, variable cost as values are given, and some sales values are given. This is the format of the flexible budget. Particulars now 50% capacity, the amount of that, 60% capacity and the amount of that, and so on. Now we need to write down about the fixed costs. Salary is 84k, rent and rates now 56k, depreciation 70k, and other expenses 80k. 60%, 75%, and 90%, we need to apply the same values because the fixed cost is in total value remains the same. It does not vary. So we need to write down the same value for 60%, 75%, and 90%. Fixed cost in total amount does not vary, but the unit value it varies. And variable cost is vice versa. Variable cost 2,40,000, labor cost is 2,56,000, and other expenses 38k. But we need to calculate separately for 60% and 75% and 90%. Here is the working note for calculation of the materials based on 60%, 75%, and 90%. 2,40,000 is the material value as per the 50%. It has to multiple with 60 divided by 50. Then we can get 2,88,000. The same procedure for 75% and 90%. These values have applied here: 2,88,000, 360,000, 3,60,000, and 4,32,000. The same way now we have to calculate for labor charges and other expenses charges. Now we have to total it. Total cost is now it adds now both the fixed costs and the variable cost. We can get total costs. It's all the total of the total costs. We have sales now. We don't have sales now for 50%. So we have sales for the 60% and 75% and the 90%. These values are I took it from the problem: 9,50,000, 11,50,000, and 13,75,000. If we subtract them from the total cost, we can get profit values as 19,200, 59k, 1,23,800. If we subtract the total cost from sales, we can get profit. As sales equal to total cost plus profit. Thank you.